I've had this protective style for a while now, and I want to show you how I maintain this style so that it's still looking clean and all that. And if you intend to install a protective style, the measures you can put in place so that you get the clean results. You understand? So first of all, I have my spray bottle with water. This one has water, aloe vera, juice. It has hairspray, hair growth spray, then water, and then some leave-in. I'm also adding I'm also adding some mega growth leave-in conditioner as well. The whole purpose of this video today is to bring the hair back to life. It's so dry. Even my actual hair is dry. Do you understand? So let's get going. We can just chit chat. I'll be telling you a few things I'm doing with this hair and how you can also adopt one or two to make your twists last a bit more longer. I don't intend to keep it for long. I'm a creator, so I have to make sure that I'm always styling my hair. And if I keep this style for long, it means that I'm not going to create content for a while. That's not what I'm looking for. So let's see how it goes. You see, so dry. Like, see the under of the hair, so dry. But I want to revive that. It's so easy to revive this. The first thing you do is to spray some water. You can just use normal water. Just open the hair and then spray it within it like this. Guys, are you getting it? Spray. It's just spray. I like this spray bottle so much because it doesn't wet the hair so much. Do you see how it comes? Do you see? Yeah. So that's what I do. Just spray it. And then I get my leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner I'm using. Smells so nice. Smells fabulous. It's so lightweight. Can't even say I've put any leave-in in my hands. See. Then you spread it inside the hair like this. Just spread it. You have to do this in section. I forgot to say. So you have to make sure that you can divide your hair into 3 or 4. So let me do how many? I think I'll do 4. Yeah, I'll do 4. So this is the first section. Make sure that it is well hydrated before I move on to the next section. Guys, can you see? You have to be generous with the leave-in conditioner as well. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It's so easy. See, just add more water. Can you see that? It's feeling different. It's even shinier than it used to be. I want more leave-in conditioner. So I am done with the first batch of the hair. I divided the hair. I'm dividing the hair into 3, so I'm done with the first batch. Yeah. We have a band. I think that's the best. Just hold it with a band so it doesn't mix with the other ones that you haven't done. Yeah. So I just held it with this simple band and I'm good to go. I get the next batch. I think I'll do three batches instead of 4. Yeah. Because the last batch is not much. Yeah. So this is the next batch, guys. You repeat the process. So you get your spray bottle. Spray both the scalp and the hair itself, guys. Make sure that you hydrate the hair very well. Hydration is key here. Huh. You see how it's easy to put my hands through now? See? So easy to put my hands through now. And that's the point, to have it glide through easily. If you don't do this, your hair will not last long and it will start looking like you've had it for so long. Yeah. So even after doing this, you realize that it's very easy for you to style it. Yeah. In case you want to style it, it becomes very easy, guys. Extremely easy. So I'm done with this part as well. So let me just add it to this part. Now I'm left with the last part. That's the hair behind me. Repeat the same process, guys. Hydration, hydration, hydration. You need a lot of hydration so that it keeps or it maintains the beauty of the hair. Then you need your leave-in conditioner. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Yeah, then you just glide it. The whole point is to glide. Your hand should be able to glide through the hair without any difficulty. Do you understand? While you help absorb the leave-in into the hair. You understand? Some people like to add oils, but I don't want my hair feeling too heavy or shiny. This is enough for me. The whole point for me is to just bring the hair back to life. Yeah, so that's this. It's enough for me. Yeah, guys, can you see? So now everything is soft. So now I'm ready to put everything together now because the whole hair has been softerized. Guys, can you see? My scalp is clean, as I mentioned. When you do this, you notice that your scalp will be, you can keep the hair for a longer period. Even though when I did the hair, it was not looking as clean as it showed, like because I did the hair myself. But it's been a week and it's still looking good. It's been a week and it's still looking. The hair itself is very nice, guys. Can you see? So now see how I glide my hands through it easily. When you're able to do this to your mini twist, it's going to last very long for you. You're going to keep it for a longer period. Like, guys, just look at it. My hands just glides through it very easily. Very, very easily. And this mini twist, if you have any scalp itchiness at some part of your hair, just gently use your cotton pad to rub it for it to go. Yeah. I think I'm done, guys. Now, if you have any style you want to style, you can just put the hair in the style. But here at this point, I just want my hair to rest. In case you want to see the back, this is how it looks like. Yeah. So you can hold it together like this, or you can just leave it to be. For me, I just want it to pass through the hair. So guys, this is how you can maintain your mini twist so that it lasts longer for you. You can keep it for a month and it will still, I mean, people will see how fresh the hair will still be looking, like you can tell. Yes. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.